Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best toothbrush for dogs. The Orgrimmar 2PC's 3-sided pet toothbrush. This double-headed marvel is more than just a brush. It's a game-changer for pet dental care. Let's begin by addressing why dental hygiene is so crucial for pets. Just like humans, dogs and cats are vulnerable to plaque buildup, tartar, and gum disease. Left unchecked, these can lead to serious health complications. That's where the Orgrimmar toothbrush steps in to make daily brushing easier and more effective for both you and your furry friend. This toothbrush is uniquely designed with a 3-sided brush head. That means it wraps around your pet's teeth and simultaneously cleans the front, back, and top surfaces with one stroke. It's much more efficient than traditional flat brushes that require angling and adjusting during brushing. The triple-action head significantly reduces brushing time while increasing the coverage, which is especially helpful for pets that get restless during grooming. What stands out immediately is the ergonomic design. The handle is rubberized and fits comfortably in your hand, giving you a non-slip grip even if your pet squirms. The brush head is soft yet firm enough to remove plaque without hurting your dog's sensitive gums. It's designed specifically to conform to the shape of a dog's mouth, making it safe and comfortable for everyday use. Another thoughtful feature is that the entire brush is dishwasher safe. That's a huge bonus because it means you can keep it sanitized and fresh without hassle. Just pop it into the dishwasher after a brushing session, and it's ready for the next time. The product comes in a 2-pack, so you always have a backup or a second one for multi-pet households. It's suitable for dogs and cats of all breeds and sizes. Whether you have a tiny kitten or a large breed dog, this toothbrush is built to accommodate different mouth sizes effectively. The Orgrimmar 3-sided pet toothbrush promotes cleaner mouths, fresher breath, and healthier gums. And let's be honest, a clean pet mouth is not just better for them, it's better for you too. No one wants to cuddle with a dog that has bad breath. To wrap up, the Orgrimmar 2PC's 3-sided pet toothbrush offers a smart, affordable solution to a common problem. With its triple brush head, ergonomic handle, pet-safe design, and dishwasher compatibility, it ticks all the boxes for convenience, safety, and hygiene. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to improve your pet's dental health without the struggle, this might be the product you've been waiting for. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed and honest reviews. See you next time.